Good morning friends, welcome to my YouTube channel IELTS by BRB. My name is Pumit and today we are going to discuss on one cue card. Talk about the history of your nation. Talk about the history of your nation. The sub questions are what you know about that period, why you like that period. Now dear friends, all the topics which I am discussing with you are the new ones with out of the box answers. I have also prepared in the same way and got the desired coveted bands. So don't forget to watch till the end. And for those who want to learn new vocabularies, idioms and phrases, join the VIP program. Go to the playlist of my channel and click this icon and watch the related videos. Now the entire video is divided into 4 sections. Section 1, thought for the day. Section 2, description on the speaking topic. Section 3, tips on the vocabularies, idioms and phrases used in this particular topic. Section 4 is narration on the topic history. Section 1, thought for the day. History is the treasure house of knowledge. History is the treasure house of knowledge. Now treasure house means building or a room or a chamber which is used to keep valuable things, which is used to keep valuable items like gems, gold, diamonds. In the same way, history is also such a valuable thing which is needed to be stored, which is needed to be preserved. History is actually the study of past events. You can say systemic or unbiased study of past events. It is study of human civilization. It is not only the study of conquest and wars, it is also study of science, philosophy and many more. Therefore, it is rightly remarked that history is the treasure house of knowledge. Now, this particular sentence can be used in cue card about history or in speaking, section 1, section 2, any of those. It can also be useful in essays. Section 2, discussion on the speaking topic. Talk about the history of your nation. India has a reputation of the land which has supported various civilizations to flourish on. Example like Mughals, Afghanis, Guptas, Britishers and many more. Today I would like to talk about one such era, the Gupta period, the Gupta dynasty. This period is considered to be the golden age of India. This dynasty was founded by Sri Gupta and other notable rulers were Chandragupta, Samudragupta and many more. The high points of this particular period is the cultural development that took place during the reigns of the Guptas. The rock-cutted caves like the Ajanta and Ellora were made during this period. Kalidas, the famous classical Sanskrit playwright, lived during this era and gave to the world the play Shakuntala. The epics Mahabharata and Ramayana were officially canonized during this period. The world came to know the mathematical power of India. India gave zero during this time. Aryabhatta, the mathematical scholar, existed during this period. On top of it, the distance between the planetary bodies came to be known only when decimal was given to this world by India, and this occurred during the Gupta dynasty. In the world of entertainment and games, it is said that chess has also as its origin from India. It was known as Shatranj before. Now, the fundamental text of Ayurveda, and that is Sushruta Samhita, or it is also known as Compendium of Sushruta, was also the part of this period. It included knowledge of many medicines and medicinal technologies. All in all, during this period, there was an all-round development of India. Therefore, it is said to be a classical period of India, and consequently this period gave India the name Golden Sparrow. Eventually, the dynasty died because of the invasion of the Hunas, but it lasted for around 350 years. Section 3, tips on the vocabularies, idioms and phrases used in this particular description. Flourish. Growth of something or development of something or prosperity of something is known as flourish. India has supported the Mughals to flourish, Mughal civilizations to flourish on. Some plants flourish on the bank of the lake. Now, dynasty. Dynasty is a line of rulers of a nation or like a family tree or hereditary rulers. For example, Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb, etc. succession of peoples from the same family. Number 2, golden age. Golden age means, in an idiomatic way, age of the time or the era which has given peace, prosperity and happiness. Gupta period was the golden age of India. Because there was all-round development of India, Gupta age is known as the golden period of golden age of India. Notable. Notable means remarkable, something that is worthy of attention, something that is significant is known as notable. For example, in Gupta dynasty there were many rulers, but the notable one were and the main one were Chandragupta, Samudragupta, because something extraordinary might have been done in their rule. High points. The most significant part of the time. The most significant part of the time is known as high point. The most enjoyable part of the time is known as high point. For example, the high points of Gupta dynasty was the cultural development and its mathematical development. Reign. Reign means ruler or monarch or government or a kind of a body, that is known as reign. For example, Queen Elizabeth reigns over UK. Queen Elizabeth reigns over UK. India developed a lot under the reign of Guptas. Canonized. Now, canonized means something that is officially declared. Something which is officially declared can be said as canonized. For example, the Mahabharata and Ramayana were officially declared, officially canonized during this period. Golden Sparrow. India is called a golden sparrow because the availability of the abundant resources, abundant knowledge, abundant stones, gems that India had. Therefore, it was known as the golden bird or the golden sparrow. Section 4. Narration on the topic history. Now, history is the systematic study of past events. It is a study of human civilization, and actually human civilization is an evolutionary process. But there are some people who is of the view that history or studying history serves no purpose in this current era. The bygones are bygones. History has no room today in our lives. It is only used by the politicians to flare up hostilities among people and towards other nations. Therefore, many conflicts in the world are because of the misinterpretation of history. But I believe that history gives a lot of learning. It is a treasure house of knowledge. It is not only study of wars and conquest, it is study of science, philosophy, religion, literature, and many more. History generates sentiments of patriotism among people. I hope so you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Please hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Goodbye. Good night.